and good morning, dear students.
Good morning.
As we have gathered here for a special program, let us start with the universal prayer. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat was initiated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi during the Rashtriya Ekta Divas held on 31st October 2015 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Honorable Prime Minister propounded that cultural diversity is a joy that ought to be celebrated between people of different states and union territories, so that a common spirit of understanding resonates throughout the country. Every state and union territory in the country would be paired with another state or union territory for a time during which they would carry out a structured engagement with one another in the spheres of language, literature, cuisine, festivals, cultural events, tourism, etc. For example, Karnataka is paired with Uttarakhand during this period. So to learn more about Uttarakhand, Loor Central School has organized a series of activities according to the guidelines given by the CBSE. Today, we have one of the important activity, that is the quiz competition for the students of classes 3, 4 and 5. So, let's get started. The first round of quiz was conducted on 23rd 10/2021 and one student from each section was selected for the finals. Now, I welcome the selected students on the stage. Please come friend.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Father.
Now we have 4 teams here to take part in one of the activities of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Now here in each team, there is one student from class 3, one student from class 4 and one student from class 5. I request class 5 students to be the leaders.
So the general instructions, there will be 4 rounds. Participants are requested to wait for their turn to answer the questions. Clear? Next, no negative points. Okay, there will be only one. The details of the subsequent rounds will be shown prior to the rounds. So before round 1, your rules will be read out. Round 2, rules will be read out. Okay? If no team is able to answer the question correctly, then the question will be open for the audience to answer. Okay, but the audience, you have to raise your hand, and then first who raises, I'll call you in the front and you have to answer. Okay, clear audience? Yes. No prompting, no helping your teammates or your classmates. Okay? Good luck, students. Yes. We will begin with round 1. Multiple choice questions, so you'll have 4 options. The rules, please. Yeah. First answer will be considered as the final answer. Okay, so discuss and then answer. The maximum time for answering is 30 seconds. 30 seconds, within 30 seconds you have to answer. Clear? Next, each team will get 2 questions. So we'll go 1 round and then the second round. Passing is allowed. Team which answers gets 5 points. Now Rani Kid, if they don't know the answer, you can say pass. Okay? Then the Binsa team, if they give the right answer, they'll get 5 points. Okay? Each question carries 10 points. Each question carries 10 points. Hope I'm clear? We will begin. So the first question to team Rani Kid. Where is the world famous Valley of Flowers situated? Option A, Nainital. Option B, Chamoli. Option C, Uttarkashi. And option D, Pauri.
Discuss first, then you have to answer.
What do you want? Okay, thank you. Keep it with you.
No buzzer, not buzzer. Just pick up the mic and answer.
Shamoli.
Yes, it is the correct answer. So answer please. Yes, students you can clap. And points for Rani. Next question to team Binsar. So the question, who started the Chipko movement in Uttarakhand? Gaura Devi, B. Sarla Ben, C. Radha Bhatt, D. Thilu Rautevi. Binsar, team is here. Team Binsar. Yours is there.
Hold the mic. Behind
Hold the mic.
Behind
Yes. Yes, it is the right answer, Gaura Devi. Next question to team Dehradun. Which one of the following is known as the Queen of Uttarakhand Hills? Option A, Mussoorie. Option D, Ranikhet. Option C, Srinagar. Option D, Badrinath.
Option B, Masuri.
Option
A.
Yes, it is the right answer. Next question to team Nainital. Which of the following countries' boundaries touch the Uttarakhand state? Option A, Nepal, Pakistan. Option B, Tibet, Pakistan. Option C, Tibet, China. And option D, Tibet, Nepal.
Tibet, Nepal.
Answer, sir? Tibet, Nepal. Very good. Now, round 2. Ma'am, shall I start from team Nainital? Okay. So, from your round, the question goes to you. So, the next question, please. The biggest hydroelectric project of Uttarakhand is A. Kotli Bel Hydroelectric Project, B. Vishnu Prayag Hydroelectric Project, C. Maneri Bhali Hydroelectric Project, or D. Tehri Hydroelectric Project. No negative marking, you can answer. Give it a try. Think and answer. You said B, Vishnu Prayag Hydroelectric Project. It is the wrong answer. Team Dehradun, do you want to give it a try? Yes, ask question. Yes.
Option D.
Option D, can you read the answer?
Tehri Hydroelectric Project.
Yes, the answer is correct. Dehradun gets +5. Next question to team Dehradun. Where is the maximum rice grown in Uttarakhand? Option A, Nainital. Option D, Haridwar. Option C, Chamoli. Or option D, Dehradun.
Option B, Haridwar.
It is the wrong answer. Team Binsar, do you want to try? There's no negative mark. Just pass.
Take the mic and hold. Tell.
Take the mic. Or you can say pass. It is the wrong answer. Yeah. So the audience, that was obvious. With us too of Turkey. Clap hands for yourself. The next question to Team Binsar. In 1991, a big earthquake occurred in which district of Uttarakhand state? Option A, Dehradun. Option B, Uttarkashi. Option C, Haridwar. And option D, Almora. Yes, Binsar.
can tell the answer if you know the answer.
It is the wrong answer. Pass to.
Uttarkashi.
Yes, it is the right answer. Team Raniket gets 5 points. And the last question to Team Raniket. Gharwal painting was made by whom? A. Mukundilal, B. Gumani Pant, C. Maula Ram, or D. None of these. Maula Ram, correct. Team Raniket gets 10 points. So end of the first round, the scoreboard. So Team Raniket is at 25, Bansar 10, Dehradun 15, and Nainital 10 points. Students, clap hands. Next, round 2. It is the buzzer round. Now, listen to the rules carefully. Students, buzzer, if you press on the buzzer, then you have to answer. Okay? So check the question. Only if you know the answer, click on the buzzer. Clear? Otherwise, there will be negative points. Negative 5.
Can they give a try?
Yeah, give it a try, students. Okay, Team Raniket, click on the buzzer, just from checking whether it's working. Yes. Team Binsar, Team Dehradun, Team Nainital. Yes, so the buzzers are working fine. Yes. We'll start with round 2. Question answer round. Each question carries 10 points. First answer will be considered as the final answer. Negative 5 points for wrong answers. The maximum time for answering is 30 seconds. Okay? Each team will get 2 questions. Passing is allowed. Team which answers gets 5 points. Okay, clear? Ready, students? Yeah. The students from class 5 only click on the buzzer. Okay? Those who know your partners, quickly tell them if you know the answer. So we'll start from Team Raniket. Ready? Yes, sir. The first question. Where is the Indian Military Academy, IMA, located?
No,
Oh,
tell the
yeah.
answers.
You can click on the buzzer. Yes. Okay. Answer, please. Yes, it is the right answer. 10 points for Team Raniket.
Students, if you know,
Yeah, click on the buzzer.
class
okay?
5 is nervous, others click,
Those
the
who
answer.
know, click on that buzzer. Okay? Third standard, fourth standard, if you know,
Yeah.
click on the buzzer. Okay, clear? Yes. Next question, sir. In which year did Kedarnath flood occur?
No, Raniket.
Oh, Raniket. 2013, correct. Raniket gets 10 points. Next question, sir. Who was the first Chief Minister of Uttarakhand?
No.
Yes, Nainital. Nityananda Swami, correct. Nainital gets 10 points. Next question. When was Uttarakhand formed? Dehradun.
9 November 2000.
9 November 2000. Very good. Yes. Okay. Next question. Group Dehradun.
Is there
Next question. Which city is known as Sarovar Nagari? Yes, Nainital. Okay. Very good. 10 points to Team Nainital. Next question. You ready? Which place is known as the yoga capital of the world?
Rishikesh.
First,
there? No.
Press the
There,
buzzer first.
First
Yes.
here. You were slow. Children, you are very slow. Right, and you are nervous. Come on, click the buzzer quick.
No, keep your hand near the
There,
buzzer.
near the
Yes.
buzzer.
Yes. Nainita,
No,
answer. Because you click the buzzer
click the
first.
buzzer.
Answer, sir. Rishikesh. Very good. Next question. What is the motto of Uttarakhand?
Nainita.
Very good. Satyameva Jayate. Okay. The last question of this round. Dehradun, Raniket. Keep your hands near the buzzer. Yes. Yes. Who is the present governor of Uttarakhand?
Ranike. Ranike.
Is the wrong answer. Good, this is the right answer. Yeah? So -5 and 5 for team Wilson. So I have to allow the sponsor. Nainital is leading. Students, clap hands. Next, round 3. Visual round. So the rules are as follows. Each question carries 10 points. A picture will be shown. No buzzer. Okay? Teamwork. Okay? First answer will be considered as the final answer. The maximum time for answering is 30 seconds. Each team will get one question. Only one picture a team will get. Passing is allowed. The team which answer gets 5 points. Is it clear, students? Yes. First, we'll start from team Raniket. Which place is this? Identify this place.
This is here.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Team Binsar. Yeah, no negative marking. You can tell the answers. Wrong. Next. Dehradun.
Lakshman Jhula.
Yes, it is the correct answer. Lakshman ji. 5 points to team Dehradun. Next question to team Binsar. Identify the place. That's the wrong answer. Team Dehradun.
Badrinath.
Wrong answer. Nainital. Yes?
Haridwar.
Wrong answer. Audience, anybody?
Shimla.
Yeah, Aniket, 1 minute.
Oh,
Yeah.
they finished it.
Yeah. No, but yes. Raniket.
Nanda Devi.
Wrong answer. Audience. Raise your hand.
Rishikesh, it seems. Rishikesh.
No.
Tejasvi, yes,
It's a
Tejasvi.
temple.
Tejasvi, which is that?
City Center.
City.
Yeah, we'll continue. Next answer, please. Tunganath, the highest Shiva temple. Next picture to team Dehradun.
Masala dosa.
Identify the place. No, team Nainital.
Nainital.
Pass. Aniket? Pass. If you don't know, you can say pass.
Pass.
Yes, Binsa? The answer? Say pass. Audience, raise your hand, no answering. Raise your hand, those who know the answer. Yes, come here.
Bhargav.
Bhargav, yes.
Nanda Devi.
Nanda Devi.
No. Anybody else? Okay. So yes, that answer. Only artificial lake. It's a famous tourist place. Yes. And the last question to Team Nainital. Students, audience,
Yeah, audience.
maintain disciplines. This is for Team Nainital, not for the audience. Pass, okay. Team Rishikesh, Raniket. Pass. I mean, wrong answer. Next.
Badrinath Temple.
Wrong answer. Dehradun. You can say the answer, no negative marking.
Google it.
Gadarman.
No. Wrong answer. Audience, no answering. Raise your hand. So this round, team Dehradun gets 5 points. And now we come to the last round, the rapid fire round. Rules, sir. Listen to the rules carefully. Each question carries 10 points. First answer will be considered as the final answer. The maximum time limit is 60 seconds. You're getting 1 minute to answer 5 questions. Each team will get 5 questions. No passing is allowed. I mean, no passing to other teams. But you can, if you don't know, you can say pass. I'll read out the second question. Okay? Clear, students? Team, yeah. So now I'll read one question. You have to answer 5 questions in 60 minutes. Now the first question, suppose you don't know, 60 seconds. Suppose you don't know the first question, the answer, you can say pass. I'll review the second question. Second question, you don't know the answer, pass. Third question. So 5 questions. But the time limit is 60 seconds. Clear? Within 60 seconds, you have to answer all 5 questions. Yeah. Yes. Clear, students? Clear?
Think for a long time. You can't think for long time.
You can't think for a long time. You have to be quick. So, second. Yes, students, ready? We'll start from team Dehradun, Nainital, Binsa, and then Rani. Okay? Clear? Yes. Are you all ready? Take the mic in your hand. Yes. The students, yeah, you have to pass. Okay? 1 minute. Timer is ready now.
Ma'am, anyone can answer, no?
Yeah, anyone can answer.
Okay.
Yeah. If you know the answer, you can take the mic, answer quickly. You can hold the mic still.
If it is wrong, no problem, no negative mark. Ma'am will ask the next question.
Okay, no negative points. Clear? Ready? Yes. So I'll begin, ma'am. What is the state fruit of Uttarakhand? Dehradun. Quick, or say pass.
A bird.
Okay, next, Uttarakhand is located in which part of India?
Northern part.
Okay, main source of income of Uttarakhand is?
Can you repeat?
Main source of income of Uttarakhand is? Which city has largest population in Uttarakhand?
Dehradun.
Next, where is the largest paper factory in Uttarakhand?
Early.
Can you repeat?
Early.
Okay. So, yes, no. No.
Five questions.
Which you have not answered, okay. What is the state fruit of Uttarakhand? Can think and answer. Oh. So they have answered only one question correct, so they get 10 points. There are round of applause, students. Okay, team Nainital, you ready? Take the mic in your hand. Okay, if you don't know, say pass, I can read it afterwards. Okay? So you have 1 minute time. Okay? Your time starts now. What is the state animal of Uttarakhand? Next, official website of Uttarakhand. Which name is Haridwar known as?
Harkapuri.
Next, besides Hindi, which is the official language of Uttarakhand?
Sanskrit.
The temple of Badrinath is dedicated to which god?
Vishnu.
Okay, I'll repeat. Official website of Uttarakhand. Okay. So they answered 3 correctly. So they get 30 points. Next team, Rani Khet. You ready? Yes. What is the state bird of Uttarakhand?
Himalayan monarch.
One neighbor state of Uttarakhand. Where is Ambedkar Stadium in Uttarakhand? Total number of national parks in Uttarakhand.
7.
Rishikesh is situated on the banks of which river? Can I repeat the questions? On one neighbor state of Uttarakhand. Neighbor state.
No negative answers. See,
Yeah.
say the answers, anything.
China.
State, not country.
Coronavirus, China.
Rishikesh is situated on the banks of which river?
Say.
You can use. Okay. So, they have answered 3 correct. 30 points. The last team, Insar. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay. What is the state tree of Uttarakhand? Jim Corbett Park was earlier known as Dash.
Tell.
Delhi National Park.
Total number of districts in Uttarakhand.
13.
The Chardham Yatra begins in which month?
May.
Where is Koteshwar Cave? Where is Koteshwar Cave? Only one question, you have time, how many more seconds? 10 seconds, you can answer the last question. Where is Koteshwar Cave?
Just say.
Okay. So they have answered 4 correctly. So team Nainital is at 90. Dehradun at 40. Vinsar 55 points. Rani Khet Nainital gets the first place. Team Raniket gets the second place. Team Vinsar gets the third place and Team Dehradun gets the consolation. Very good students, wonderful participation. Okay, I have one question. Yeah, for the audience. Jim Corbett Park was established in the year dash. No, for the audience. Okay? Yes.
2013.
2023.
2014.
Okay, that is wrong answer. Anybody? Yes. It is before 2000.
Tell your date of birth.
Okay, the next question and the last question. Yes, Shiven wants to answer. 1935. You're close. Yes. Good. Yeah, come Shiven. You've got left. I have got to the audience. Yes. Students clap. Last question for the audience. The largest national park in Uttarakhand. Yes, Bhargav? No. Anybody?
Tagore Park.
Yes? Nainital team?
Flowers National
No.
Tagore Park.
Yes, Shiven? Correct answer. Okay, done. So with this, I conclude the quiz. So thank you students for your active participation. A big round of applause.